Hey guys, in this video, I tell you why you cannot make excuses when learning to code or thinking about learning to code. Let's jump right into it. But before we get into it, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and please like this video, it helps a lot. Let's go. Reason 1. I am too old. You are never too old to learn how to code. It means you have more experience and you might just speak better. So just search old coders. I'm pretty sure they're very good old coders. Wow. See? 62-year-old programmer. Wow. They're older than C++. Okay, excuse number 2. You are too young, which is not an excuse. I'm also young, and I code pretty well. I mean, not to brag. And also you should, if you're young, you should look at Scratch. It's a great programming language for beginners and kids, not just children, but any beginner. So even if you're not that young, you should probably start off with Scratch, and after you learn Scratch, any other programming language will seem easy to you. So that's actually a great tip for coding. So if you're just started and you don't know any other programming language, do look into Scratch. Excuse number 3. I'm not good at math. If that's your excuse, I'm also not good at math. So you can use that as an excuse. And also, if you're bad at math, look into web development. Little to no math required, but you still need to learn how to code. And it's pretty great with web development. The only math you need to know is that you earn 10 times the amount of money that you're earning right now. Or maybe more, or maybe less. I don't know. But you will earn a lot of money. No math skills required. Excuse number 4. I don't want to set up my computer. I don't have space for having files and folders full of my programming stuff. That's not an excuse. Just go to repl.it. And any programming language you want to learn, you'll have the IDE, Integrated Development Environment, which means you don't need to do any setup. Just choose the language and start coding. Reason number 5. Okay, this is the final reason, and I think it's the most ridiculous reason, is that I don't have a laptop or a PC, which I find kind of weird because nowadays everyone has a PC or even a laptop. But I won't be judging you for that. What I will be judging you for is that you're making excuses. Don't do that. Don't make excuses. Coding will change your life. So just search Decoder, not sponsored, or any other IDE. Just search IDE here. You find tons of IDEs. Maybe take one which takes less space or something like that, and start coding. Stop making excuses. Alright guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would appreciate it if you leave a like. Please subscribe, turn on bell notifications so that you don't miss my next video. And yeah, share it with your friends if they're making excuses. Which, if you made excuses and you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure maybe there's someone who is also making excuses. And go code. Stop watching this video right now. Stop making an excuse. Oh, I'm watching YouTube right now. Go code. Go now. Bye.